Don't miss today's video about getting to know Belo Horizonte, where we'll see beautiful waterfalls near Belo Horizonte. If you like this type of content, you already know what to do: like, share, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Welcome to the Trail of Life channel. Located 50 kilometers from Belo Horizonte, the Santo Antonio waterfall is one of the beach attractions of Greater Belo Horizonte. Embedded in a rock, it gushes cold, crystal clear water, forming a lake of rare beauty, with a drop of about 35 meters. It is close to a eucalyptus plantation area, amidst dense vegetation. Surrounded by a huge rocky wall and gallery forest, its waters are low in temperature and have a soft greenish tone, which makes them irresistible on hotter days. From Belo Horizonte, the main access route is via Raposos, a 20-kilometer stretch of dirt road. The place has no tourist infrastructure and vehicles are 4 kilometers from the waterfall. In 6 of the 35 meters of height, rappellers use their feet for support, and in 29 meters, they only use full suspension, without foot support. The waterfall is about 12 meters deep and 20 meters long. Even without any tourist infrastructure and abandoned by the government, the place is one of the favorite destinations in the region for jeep drivers, motorcyclists, adventurers, and families on weekends and holidays. It is 10 kilometers from Morro Vermelho. The place, despite providing a beautiful and pleasant walk, leads to statistics of deaths by drowning in the region. You need to be very careful, especially on the left side of the pool, where cavities in the rocks cause currents that can drag people to the bottom. Chica Dona Waterfall. Chica Dona Waterfall is in the municipality of Rio Acima, and is part of a private rural property. It is the closest waterfall to Belo Horizonte, being only 40 kilometers away. Leaving the city of Rio Acima, you will travel 6 kilometers along a dirt road until you reach your destination. Therefore, it is important to use GPS, following the indicated coordinates. But don't worry, there are several houses in the area and it won't be difficult to get more precise directions to get to the waterfall, if necessary. Important tips and information to make the most of it. Prices. Since the waterfall is part of a private rural property, there is an entrance fee. The current price is 15 Brazilian reals per person. Parking. The area has a large parking lot, the cost of which is already included in the 15 Brazilian reals entrance fee. An extra tip: arrive early if you are visiting the site between lunchtime, 12 p.m. and 1 p.m., or on weekends, as the parking lot tends to fill up quickly during these periods. Be careful on the way. The dirt road is a bit unpredictable, which can make the journey difficult for less robust cars. It is recommended to go slowly, paying attention to any potholes that may appear along the way. The differences between the two waterfalls. In addition to these useful tips, another thing you need to know is that there are 2 different waterfalls in the waterfall. The first, located to the right of the road, is ideal for taking children or just relaxing while feeling the water lapping at your feet, as it has shallow waters and few rocks. Now, if you are the more adventurous type, go in search of the second waterfall, which stands out for its depth and can only be accessed by trail. Embrace the natural beauty of the crystal clear waters in this wonderful landscape. Try rappelling. The place is ideal for enjoying with company, or alone, contemplating nature. Even the rocks are beautiful. Connect with the world around you and enjoy every second of this paradise. Great! Now you are ready to embark on this incredible journey to the waterfalls near the city of Belo Horizonte. Thank you so much for Bye.